Good morning, children. Hope you're all safe at home. And today we are going to recall our second video class. What's that? Can you tell me? Yes, it is plants growing in different areas. Where can we see the plants? Yes, on land, hills, mountains, desert, seacoast, etc. In that, we are going to discuss about terrestrial plants. Children, do you remember what is meant by terrestrial plants? Yes, plants growing on land are called terrestrial plants. Once again, I'll repeat. Plants growing on land are called terrestrial plants. In that, we have 6 types of terrestrial plants. 1. Plants on mountain. 2. Plants in plains. 3. Plants in desert. 4. Plants in areas of heavy rainfall. 5. Plants in swampy or marshy land. 6. Plants on seacoast. Let us see the first one. Plants on mountains. Have you been to any hill station like Ooty, Kodaikanal? What did you observe or find there? Yes, we can see more trees and plants on the hills, isn't it? Can you tell me about the structure of or shape of the trees? Yes, the trees on hills are cone-shaped, tall, and the leaves are needle-like, isn't it? So that the snow can easily slide off. And the flowers or cones have seeds inside them. 2. Plants in plains. Have you seen mango trees, neem trees, gulmohar trees, and peepal trees? What did you observe? Yes, they have several branches and leaves to protect themselves from cold. They shed their leaves in autumn and they are called deciduous trees. Do you think there are plants in the desert? Yes, but they are very few. In desert, there is very little rainfall, climate is too hot, and soil is sandy. Can you give me an example for desert plants? Yes, cactus and date palms. They can survive in these conditions. There are no branches, but the stem prepares the food for the plants by the process of photosynthesis. 4. Plant in areas of heavy rainfall. Here, the trees have lot of leaves and they remain green throughout the year because the water is abundant. Hence, they are called evergreen forest. 5. Plants growing in swampy or marshy land. Children, what is meant by marshy land? Do you know about that? Here, the soil is clayey and sticky. So, the water do not drain out. Because of this, the root cannot get air from the soil. So, the roots grow outside the soil and take air they need. Example, mangrove. And the last one, plants on seacoast. Where can we find more coconut trees? Yes, we can find more coconut trees in coastal areas. In these areas, the plants adapt themselves to withstand the strong wind, heavy rainfall, and salty water. And now, let us discuss with our worksheet. Children, check your answers with me. Roman 1. Choose the correct answer. 1. In desert plants, the main function of the stem is dash. Answer, to prepare food. 2. Plants growing on mountains or cold regions or generally dash. Answer, tall and straight. 3. Trees growing in plains have dash. Answer, lot of branches and leaves. 4. The non-green plants do not contain dash. Answer, chlorophyll. 5. The trees growing in marshy or swampy areas are called dash. Mangroves. Roman 2. Match the following. 1. Pine trees. Answer, mountain plants. 2. Mango trees. Answer, plain plants. 3. Cactus trees. Answer, desert plants. 4. Mangroves. Answer, marshy plants. 5. Mushroom. Answer, parasitic plant. Okay, children, it is time to start writing our classwork. Take your classwork, take a new page and start. Roman 5. Answer in detail. Question number 1. Draw and label the parts of the leaf and explain. Children, draw the picture of leaf and label the parts. Then write. First point. The flat and broad surface of a leaf is called leaf blade or lamina. 2. Passing through the center of a leaf is a thick main vein called midrib. 3. Smaller veins branching out from the main vein, they form a dense network of veins which helps in the transport of water and minerals to all cells of the leaf and food from leaves to other parts of the plant. Fourth point. The leaf is attached to the stem with the stalk called petiole. Question number 2. How will you show that potato contains starch? First point. Take a potato. Children, draw a picture of potato. 2. Cut it into 2 halves. Then again, draw the diagrams. 3. Put a few drops of iodine solution on one part. 4. Iodine solution turns blue-black. 5. The blue-black color shows the presence of starch. Question number 3. Concise your view on plants and animals' interdependence in schematic diagram. Children, draw the diagram, then write, plants give out food and oxygen. Food and oxygen taken by the animals. Then animals give out carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide is again taken by the plants. Thank you, children.